Welcome to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Today let us discuss exercise 11.4 in the trigonometry topic of 10th class. First question is evaluate 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Now we can write this as 1 plus, instead of tan we are writing sin by cos. So 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus, instead of secant we are writing 1 by cos theta into 1 plus, instead of cot we are writing cos by sin. So cos theta by sin theta minus, instead of cosecant we are writing 1 by sin theta. So the denominator is cos theta. So numerator becomes cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta into, here the denominator is sin theta. So the numerator becomes sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta, which is equal to, here consider cos theta plus sin theta as A and 1 as B. Consider this as A and this as B. So this becomes A plus B into A minus B becomes A square minus B square. So cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square by, the denominator is cos theta into sin theta. Now expanding this, A square, that is cos square theta, plus B square, that is sin square theta, plus 2AB, that is 2 into cos theta into sin theta, minus 1 by, the denominator is cos theta into sin theta. We know the identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. So 1 plus 2 into cos theta into sin theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Here plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled and cos theta, sin theta and sin theta gets cancelled. The answer is 2. Second bit is sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Now expanding this, A square, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 into sin theta into cos theta. Now expanding this, plus sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2AB. So 2 into sin theta into cos theta, plus 2 sin theta cos theta and minus 2 sin theta cos theta gets cancelled. Here we have 2 into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta identity. So this value is 1. The answer is 2. The third bit is secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. We have the two identities, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. From this we can write this as tan square theta into, this becomes cot square theta. Now tan square theta, cot can be written as 1 by tan square theta. Tan square theta and tan square theta gets cancelled. The answer is 1. Now the second question is, show that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Here we are taking cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta minus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta whole square. Now this can be written as 1 minus, here denominator is sin theta. So 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. The next step is 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. Now this can be written as A minus B whole square is 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by sin square theta. Now this sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Now the denominator is in the form of A square minus B square. So this can be written as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by A plus B into A minus B. That is 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta gets cancelled. The denominator is 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is the required answer. Third question in exercise 11.4 is, show that 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A whole root is equal to secant A plus tan A. Here A value should be between 0 and 90 degrees. Now we should multiply the numerator and the denominator by root of 1 plus sin A now. Now the step is 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A whole root into root of sin A plus 1 by sin A plus 1 whole root. So this becomes 1 plus sin A whole square by A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. So 1 square minus sin square A. Keep this in whole root. Now this can be written as 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. Keep this in whole root. Here the square and the roots gets cancelled. So 1 plus sin A by cos A, which is equal to, taking the individual terms, 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. 1 by cos is secant. So secant A plus sin by cos is tan. So this becomes tan A. This is the required answer. Now the fourth question is, show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. A should be between 0 and 90 degrees. So the first step is 1 minus tan square A by cot can be written as 1 by tan. So 1 by tan square A minus 1. So this is equal to 1 minus tan square A by, here the numerator becomes 1 minus tan square A by total tan square A. The numerators 1 minus tan square A, here also the numerator 1 minus tan square A gets cancelled. The remaining part is tan square A. This is the required answer. Before explaining the fifth question, please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel and also press bell icon to get notified. Fifth question is, show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. Here theta should be between 0 and 90 degrees. This can be written as 1 minus cos square theta by the denominator is cos theta. 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta by denominator is cos theta. Taking the individual terms, sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Sin by cos is tan. So tan theta into sin theta is the required answer. Sixth question is, simplify secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. Now multiplying secant A minus secant A into sin A and secant A plus tan A. This becomes, secant can be written as 1 by cos. So secant A minus 1 by cos A, and here it is sin A into secant A plus tan A. Here sin by cos becomes tan. So secant A minus tan A into here secant A plus tan A. A plus B into A minus B. This becomes secant square A minus tan square A. This is the identity. So the answer is 1. The seventh question is, prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Now expanding both these terms, here 2 into sin A and cosecant A. Sin A, cosecant A can be written as 1 by sin A. So this and this gets cancelled. Cos A and secant A also gets cancelled. Again, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 is the identity. So 1 plus 2 here plus 2 here, plus the remaining part is cosecant square A plus secant square A. This becomes 5 plus secant square A can be written as 1 plus tan square A from the identity formula, and cosecant square A can be written as 1 plus cot square A. This is also from the identity formula. So this can be written as 5 plus 2 is 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is the required answer. Eighth question is, simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. This is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So this becomes A square minus B square, which can be written as 1 square minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta, which is equal to 1 plus cot square theta can be written as cosecant square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta into, from the identity, this can be written as cosecant square theta. 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta from the identity formula. So sin square theta into cosecant square theta. Cosecant square theta is 1 by sin square theta. So sin square theta into 1 by sine square theta. This and this gets cancelled. The answer is 1. Ninth question is, if secant theta plus tan theta is equal to p, then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? We know the identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and here given it is secant theta plus tan theta is equal to p. Here a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So secant theta minus tan theta into secant theta plus tan theta, which is equal to 1. Instead of secant theta plus tan theta, we can write p. So this becomes p into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. So the value of secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. Now the last question, 10th question in exercise 11.4 is, if cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Here cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k is given. Let it be the first equation. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This is the identity. This is in the form of a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So now instead of cosecant theta plus cot theta, we can write this as k. This becomes cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. Let it be the second equation. Now we should subtract first equation from the second equation. Now let us subtract first equation from the second equation. Minus, minus and minus. Here cosecant theta and minus cosecant theta gets cancelled, and this becomes minus 2 into cot theta is equal to 1 by k minus k. Removing the negative sign, this becomes 2 cot theta is equal to k minus 1 by k. Cot can be written as cos by sin. So 2 cos theta by sin theta is equal to k minus 1 by k. Let it be the third equation. Now by adding first and second equation, we get 2 into cosecant theta is equal to k plus 1 by k. Cosecant theta can be written as sin theta, that is 1 by sin theta. 2 by sin theta is equal to k square plus 1 by k. Let it be the fourth equation. Now dividing third equation with fourth equation, we get 2 into cos theta by sin theta by 2 by sin theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 by k. Here denominators k and k gets cancelled. Denominator sin theta and sin theta gets cancelled. Numerators 2 and 2 gets cancelled. The remaining is cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is the required answer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel, and also press bell icon to get notified.